Like we would have been better off investigating the nachos. You can learn a lot from artificially flavored cheese sauce.
Oh, learning is yummy.
Guys, this temple is our only lead, and we shouldn't stop until we've seen every inch of it.
You know, even for a place called Creepy Spooky Terrorland, this is pretty scary.
Look at those shadows up there. It's a perfect place for a trap.
Be gone!
Or a manticore!
I will feast on your bones.
Awesome! My dad is gonna be stoked. Hey, wait, where are you going?
Faster!
Like if we had gone to investigate the nachos, none of this would have happened.
Through here! We lost it.
Guys, what are you doing? Let's get back out there and catch that thing. What we need is bait. Who here has the most delicious bones?
Freddy! Hey, gang, look at this. They turned this temple into an amusement park ride, remember? All we have to do is ride the ride and get off at the exit.
Like already on it. Hop in, everybody. Scooby-Doo, hit the power.
You got it.
This is like the only way to get away from monsters. On second thought, there's probably a better way.
Everybody get ready! Jump!
Infernal contraption. Release me.
That was, like, way too close.
Tell me about it.
We're gonna have to get closer if we're gonna solve this mystery. First, we need to find out more about this temple my dad bought.